Welcome to my channel, where I bring you the best book summaries to help you stay on top of your game. Today, we'll be diving into the world of investing with the book Unshakeable by Tony Robbins. In this video, I'll be giving you a complete summary of the book's key takeaways and practical tips for investing. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and learn the secrets of successful investing, then stay tuned. Now, before we jump into the book summary, let's take a moment to talk about the author, Tony Robbins. Tony is a renowned life coach, motivational speaker, and best-selling author. He's written several books on personal finance and investing, including Money, Master the Game, and Unshakeable. In Unshakeable, Tony draws on his extensive knowledge of the financial industry and interviews with top financial experts to provide practical tips and strategies for successful investing. This book is a must-read for anyone looking to take control of their financial future and build long-term wealth. So, let's dive into the key takeaways and practical tips from Unshakeable. The main features of Unshakeable are the key takeaways and practical tips for successful investing that it provides. Some of the key takeaways from the book include: 1. Understanding the difference between active and passive investing. One of the key takeaways from Unshakeable is the importance of understanding the difference between active and passive investing. Active investing involves actively buying and selling individual stocks or other securities in an attempt to outperform the market. This approach can be risky and time-consuming as it requires extensive research and analysis. On the other hand, passive investing involves investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds that track a broad market index, such as the S&P 500. This approach is often recommended by financial experts as it provides broad diversification and has been shown to outperform many actively managed funds over the long term. Tony emphasizes the importance of minimizing fees and taxes when investing, which is easier to do with passive investing. By avoiding the high fees associated with actively managed funds and minimizing taxes on investment gains, investors can keep more of their returns and build long-term wealth more effectively. 2. The importance of diversification in investment portfolios. Another key takeaway from Unshakeable is the importance of diversification in investment portfolios. Diversification involves spreading your investments across a variety of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce overall risk. Tony explains that diversification can help protect your portfolio from the ups and downs of the market and improve your chances of achieving long-term investment success. By investing in a mix of assets with different levels of risk and return potential, you can create a more stable and resilient portfolio. Tony also stresses the importance of rebalancing your portfolio periodically to maintain the desired asset allocation. This involves selling investments that have performed well and reinvesting the proceeds in underperforming assets to maintain a consistent mix of asset classes. Overall, diversification is a key strategy for building a successful investment portfolio that can weather market volatility and provide long-term returns. 3. The benefits of low-cost index funds. Unshakeable also emphasizes the benefits of low-cost index funds as a cornerstone of a successful investment strategy. Index funds are a type of mutual fund or ETF that tracks a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. They provide broad diversification and low fees, making them a popular choice among both beginner and experienced investors. Tony explains that low-cost index funds have several advantages over actively managed funds, including lower fees, greater tax efficiency, and the ability to match the returns of the overall market over the long term. This is because actively managed funds often underperform the market and charge higher fees, which can eat into investment returns over time. By investing in low-cost index funds, investors can benefit from broad diversification, low fees, and consistent returns over the long term. This can help them build long-term wealth and achieve their financial goals more effectively. 4. Strategies for minimizing fees and taxes on investments. Unshakeable also provides strategies for minimizing fees and taxes on investments. These strategies are important because high fees and taxes can significantly reduce investment returns over time. One strategy for minimizing fees is to invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs, as they have lower fees than actively managed funds. Another strategy is to negotiate with financial advisors and brokerage firms to reduce fees or switch to a fee-only advisor who charges a flat fee rather than a percentage of assets under management. In terms of taxes, Unshakeable suggests several strategies, such as investing in tax-advantaged accounts like an IRA, which provide tax-deferred growth or tax-free withdrawals. Another strategy is to hold investments for the long term to take advantage of lower capital gains tax rates, or to invest in municipal bonds, which offer tax-free income. By minimizing fees and taxes on investments, investors can keep more of their returns and build long-term wealth more effectively. These strategies are an important part of a successful investment strategy and can help investors achieve their financial goals more quickly. 5. How to avoid common investment mistakes. Unshakeable also provides guidance on how to avoid common investment mistakes. These mistakes can include emotional decision-making, trying to time the market, and overreacting to short-term fluctuations. One key strategy for avoiding these mistakes is to focus on the long term and maintain a diversified portfolio. By investing in a mix of assets and holding them for the long term, investors can weather short-term market volatility and achieve consistent returns over time. Another strategy is to stay disciplined and avoid emotional decision-making. This means sticking to a predetermined investment plan and avoiding the temptation to make impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Tony also suggests avoiding trying to time the market, which involves trying to predict short-term fluctuations in stock prices. This strategy is difficult to execute successfully and often leads to missed opportunities and losses. By avoiding these common investment mistakes, investors can build a successful investment strategy and achieve their financial goals more effectively. Unshakeable provides practical advice and guidance for avoiding these mistakes and creating a more stable and resilient investment portfolio. 6. The power of compounding interest. Unshakeable also emphasizes the power of compounding interest and how it can help investors achieve their financial goals more quickly. Compounding interest is the process of earning interest on interest, which can result in exponential growth over time. By starting to invest early and consistently, investors can take advantage of compounding interest and achieve significant long-term growth. Even small contributions can grow substantially over time, especially when invested in low-cost index funds that offer consistent returns. Tony provides examples of how compounding interest can work in practice, such as a hypothetical scenario of investing $10,000 per year for 30 years and earning an average annual return of 8%. In this scenario, the initial investment of $300,000 would grow to over $1.1 million due to the power of compound interest. By understanding the power of compounding interest and starting to invest early and consistently, investors can achieve their financial goals more effectively and build long-term wealth more quickly. Unshakeable provides practical advice and guidance for taking advantage of compounding interest and creating a more stable and resilient investment portfolio. When it comes to investing, there are many options available to investors, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. One common comparison in the world of investing is active versus passive investing. Active investing involves selecting individual stocks and attempting to outperform the market through research and analysis. This approach can be time-consuming and requires a high level of expertise, but can also offer the potential for higher returns. On the other hand, passive investing involves investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. This approach is less time-consuming and typically has lower fees than active investing, but may offer lower potential returns. Ultimately, the decision between active and passive investing depends on an investor's goals, risk tolerance, and investment expertise. Unshakeable provides guidance on both approaches and suggests that a combination of active and passive investing may be the best approach for many investors. Regardless of the approach chosen, Unshakeable emphasizes the importance of maintaining a long-term perspective, staying disciplined, and avoiding common investment mistakes in order to achieve financial success. One of the main challenges that investors face is navigating the complex world of investing and avoiding common mistakes that can lead to loss. Unshakeable provides practical guidance for overcoming these challenges, including strategies for minimizing fees and taxes, maintaining a diversified portfolio, and avoiding emotional decision-making. Another challenge that investors face is staying disciplined and avoiding the temptation to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. This can be especially difficult during times of market volatility, when emotions are running high and the urge to make changes to one's portfolio can be strong. Tony suggests that one way to overcome this challenge is to focus on the long term and maintain a diversified portfolio that is designed to weather short-term market fluctuations. By staying disciplined and avoiding emotional decision-making, investors can increase their chances of success and achieve their financial goals more effectively. Finally, another challenge that investors face is selecting the right investments and avoiding scams and fraudulent schemes. Unshakeable provides practical guidance for avoiding these pitfalls and selecting investments that are likely to provide consistent, long-term growth. Overall, Unshakeable provides a comprehensive framework for overcoming the challenges of investing and building a successful investment strategy that is designed to achieve long-term financial success. In conclusion, Unshakeable by Tony Robbins provides a practical guide to investing that is accessible to both beginner and experienced investors. The book covers a wide range of topics related to investing, including the importance of diversification, the power of compounding interest, and strategies for minimizing fees and taxes. Tony emphasizes the importance of maintaining a long-term perspective, avoiding common investment mistakes, and staying disciplined in the face of short-term market volatility. By following these principles, investors can increase their chances of success and achieve their financial goals more effectively. Ultimately, Unshakeable provides a roadmap for investors who are looking to build a solid foundation for their investment strategy and achieve long-term financial success. Whether you are just starting out as an investor or have years of experience, this book is a valuable resource that can help you navigate the complex world of investing and build a brighter financial future. If you are looking to build a successful investment strategy and achieve long-term financial success, I highly recommend that you pick up a copy of Unshakeable by Tony Robbins. This book provides a practical guide to investing that is accessible to both beginner and experienced investors and covers a wide range of topics related to investing, including the importance of diversification, the power of compounding interest, and strategies for minimizing fees and taxes. By following the principles outlined in Unshakeable, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your financial goals more effectively. So if you are ready to take control of your financial future, I encourage you to pick up a copy of this book today and start building the foundation for your investment strategy. Thank you for watching this video on Unshakeable by Tony Robbins. I hope you found this overview of the book helpful and informative. Remember, investing can be complex and challenging, but with the right guidance and principles, you can achieve long-term financial success. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging content on personal finance and investing. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.